welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys, I have a Madam Glam unboxing. This is their School of Glam collection. So I did pick 4 colors. Once again, the box is so cute, and when you open it, you have this little cute little pink padding, and it just protects your gels to arrive perfectly fine. So you guys, I have a little announcement to make. So you guys know that I've been lacking with uploading my videos, and it's really because you guys know that I'm renting a nail station in a salon, and it's just so hard when going back and forth and not being able to do videos in between like I used to. So I have decided to come back home in my nail studio. So watch out for my future videos. I actually am almost done with my room. It's looking really cute right now, and I can't wait to show you guys the reveal. So that's just a quick little announcement, but let's go on into the video. Comment down below if you're excited for me to come back home, you guys, and to see the new nail room tour. Okay, so this is, like I said, from the Madam Glam new School of Glam collection, and I do have a coupon code, you guys. Madam Glam's polishes are amazing. Sometimes you only need one swatch. These are, I guess, I want to say, like from that movie School of Rock. They got the inspiration from that. But yeah, guys, if you guys want a discount code, I do have one. I believe it's Laura Couture Nails 30, but if anything, I'll leave it in the description box down below so you guys get the proper code. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some swatch sticks, you guys. I'm so excited that I'm in my nail room right now, and I feel so much better. It was so hard to like film anything here, so I just really didn't want to. It was just really annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. The first color that I got is called Groupie. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. It's called Groupie. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to be coming back home, and I'll be able to actually do my videos a little bit more on the creative side. I feel like it's so hard doing anything creative here. I mean, at the salon, like I actually want to do these gels and do them on me with like a nice design, and it's just so annoying. So we are doing a swatch video for today. Okay. I don't know if I did that on camera or not. I wasn't even looking at the screen, but this is the first color. This is what it looks like. I think it's beautiful. This color is very, very nice. I can see wearing this on all my nails. Blues are a color, like the color blue was one of the colors that I used to, you guys know I was obsessed with just pink. I have pink right now on here, but that's because of a nail class I went to, which I also want to make a video about, you guys. But anyway, I'm used to wearing pinks and stuff, nudes and stuff on my nails, maybe some ombre white and pink, but blues I've been into lately. I don't know why, to wear on my nails. It's very like beautiful, clean, classy color, especially this one right here. It looks so super nice and clean. Okay, so the next color is You're a Joke. As you guys can see, they're also very, very pigmented. I didn't even add a second swatch to the other blue color. This color right here, though, it looks like it has a green tone to it. It's definitely like a green tone, a green gray or something like that. And you know what's funny? My client on Saturday wanted this color, and I did not really have it, and I didn't even know I had it in here. So thank you, Madam Glam, for future clients. They'll be happy to get this color. This is such a beautiful color. Their colors are very pigmented. Look at that. One swatch. Okay, so for my next colors are these little glittery colors. So excited. This one is called Bee's Knees. Love the names. Such cute names. They always give these polishes such cute names. Another thing that I'm super excited about, you guys, before I swatch this, is to let you know that I cannot wait. I ordered some acrylic racks. Hopefully they're coming. It says next Wednesday on, or this Wednesday. It says it on Amazon. So I'm so excited because I'm going to have my racks full of Madam Glam polishes, you guys, so that I can do like a Madam Glam polish, I guess like a haul video, or like a little tour of my little rack full of the Madam Glams. So, as you guys know, the girls at the salon are always using my Madame Glams. They actually really like them. I don't know why they wouldn't. They are amazing. So, okay, so let's just swatch this color. Oh my. This has like a nice little holographic tone to it. And I honestly don't know if, I know it's not gold. It's, I don't know what it is. It's so pretty. How would you guys describe this color? I don't even know. Like, it's just so pretty. I don't know. I'm trying to see it very close up. I don't know. Let me know, you guys, what you guys think this color, you would call this color, because I don't know. It's just so pretty. Last one, you guys. So this one is Hardcore. Okay. So let's see. Just like, looks like a little pink holographic color, which you guys know, like I said, you guys know I love pink and turquoise and red. 3 of my favorite colors. If I were to tell you which one's my favorite, I'm honestly gonna go with teal, turquoise, those tones, aquamarine. And I think it's mostly because I know that's my birthstone and I just always liked it. With the glitters, you can go with the second swatch, but not so much, so I might swatch them twice. Their bottle sizes are very big to me. They are, let's see, they're half an ounce. It says 0.5 ounces. Let me see this GERSHION bottle. It looks smaller and it says 0.27. Okay, yeah, because these are small, 0.27 ounces, so definitely way more product in these. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to put all my gels on top of my new racks. I'm so excited. You guys, I also have my vanity in my, you guys see my vanity in some of my videos already, but I kept it in my nail room. It's so cute. So this room is basically now my nail room slash beauty room, get ready room. I guess you could say my office, because my vanity has one side is more dedicated to office stuff and then the other side is more dedicated to beauty stuff. So you guys will see that in a video and how I actually came about doing that. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off because this thing doesn't have a timer, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat for the glitter. Yeah. Beautiful. So I put the top coat on, you guys, and this is what they look like. I love, obviously, the glitters, so pretty. All the colors are just so cute. I love them all, always do though. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out Madame Glam's website. I'll leave all that information in the description box down below, including the discount code. And I love you guys so much, and I'm looking forward to all this new content that I'm going to bring out to you guys. Okay, guys, I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.
We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky.